Hey, what's up you guys? This is how to look like a really dirty AirPods before and after cleaning. Today I wanna show you how I clean my AirPods. The trick is to use poster putty adhesive, commonly used to attach lightweight objects, but in our case we will use putty to clean AirPods. Just squeeze some of the putty, it will heat up in your finger. Put it into the speaker hole, the dirt will stick to the putty. In this speaker hole is a lot of wax. So I gently touch the net, I just wanna stick wax to the putty. In different countries this stuff might different name. I use white tack, but you can find this item as well as a blue tack, Patafix, tag it, poster putty, you name it. In the description below I'll put the list with more names. In most cases people use AirPods every day since they got them. Using them so much make them dirty not only by the airwax but also by the dead skin and skin oil. Your ear start producing wax to prevent your earring, especially if you listen to loud music or any kind of loud sounds. It's a normal reaction of your body to the, let's name it, as a noise. This is a DIY solution but works fine not only with regular AirPods but also with wireless AirPods and with good old trusty EarBuds. You may use the same piece of putty to clean second speaker hole, but in our situation it is better to use a brand new piece. All the wax, dust, dirt, skin will remain with the putty. If you are AirPods user, you might also clean the case as well with this putty-like pressure sensitive adhesive. What's cool about this trick? This simple, safe and cheap way to clean up takes no time and will make your AirPods look like almost brand new again. And what's most important, after cleaning, your AirPods are ready to use. I'm still learning English, so if I butcher the pronunciation or do something mistakes, please be kind for me. Clean and look like new again. This is how I clean my earbuds, and I'm wondering what is your trick. Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next how-to video.